These are 7 dust spots my vacuum struggled with. So I tested an electric duster to see what it can actually blow out. A vacuum is great for picking up loose dust, but when dust is trapped inside gaps, fins, tracks, and vents, air can reach places the nozzle can't. For this test, I'm using the WOLFBOX MF200 electric duster. Test 1 is the vacuum's own filter frame. This is the funny part. The tool that picks up dust still leaves dust trapped around the filter seal. A few short bursts push the buildup out, then I can wipe it away. For keyboard gaps, a vacuum can catch crumbs on top, but it often misses what is under the keys. Short bursts of air get around the switches and push the hidden dust out. For the PC, I shut it down, unplug it, and hold the fan still. The dust inside these heatsink fins is exactly where a vacuum nozzle struggles. Air moves through the fin stack and pushes the dust out from the inside. Sliding door tracks collect dust and sand in the ends of the channel. The vacuum gets the loose dirt, but the packed dust in the corners needs to be loosened first. I blow from one end, then wipe or vacuum the pile. Window channels and tiny drain holes are another spot where suction does not always line up with the dirt. Air clears the small openings, then I follow with a quick wipe. Cabinet corners are less dramatic, but this is the everyday use case. Shelf pinholes, hinge corners, and tight inside edges. I use air to push the dust out before wiping. It is a pre-cleaning step, not a full replacement for a vacuum. Blinds are tricky. Slats shake easily under airflow, so control matters more than power here. I use a lower gear and sweep along the slats instead of blowing straight at them. For light dust, it helps. For sticky dust or kitchen grease, this is not enough by itself. After 7 tests, the best use is clear. An electric duster does not collect dust like a vacuum. It loosens trapped dry dust from gaps, fins, tracks, filters, and tight seams, so you can wipe or vacuum it up afterward. Next, I want to test it against canned air.